Hey, food lovers! Welcome back to Sai Recipes. Today, we've got something super easy and delicious, one-pot pasta recipes that will save you time and cleanup. That's right. These recipes are not only quick, but they're also super flavorful and require just one pot. No mess, no stress. Let's get started with our first recipe. Recipe 1. Creamy garlic parmesan pasta. First up, we're making a creamy garlic parmesan pasta. To get started, grab your favorite pasta, garlic, butter, heavy cream, and of course, Parmesan cheese. Start by sautéing garlic and butter in your pot until it's nice and fragrant. Then, add your pasta, cover it with water, and bring it to a boil. Once it's cooked, add the heavy cream and a generous amount of Parmesan cheese. Stir it all up and let it simmer until it thickens. You'll have the creamiest, cheesiest pasta ready in minutes. Recipe 2. Spicy tomato basil pasta. Next up, a spicy tomato basil pasta. For this, you'll need tomatoes, garlic, basil, chili flakes, and, of course, pasta. Start by sautéing garlic in olive oil, then add diced tomatoes and chili flakes for that spicy kick. Add your pasta and enough water to cover it, then let it cook away. Once it's ready, toss in some fresh basil and serve with a sprinkle of Parmesan. It's a flavorful, zesty dish in just one pot. Recipe 3. Veggie pesto pasta. Finally, we've got a veggie pesto pasta. This one is perfect if you're looking for something light and refreshing. Start by sautéing your veggies, anything you like. I'm using bell peppers, zucchini, and spinach. Then, add your pasta and enough water to cook it. Once your pasta is cooked, stir in some pesto sauce, and you've got a colorful, veggie-packed meal that's ready in no time. And there you have it, 3 easy, delicious one-pot pasta recipes that are perfect for busy weeknights or when you just want to keep it simple. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick and tasty recipes. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below.